Hi, simple day-to-day things teach a huge lesson to the kids. For example, gardening. So gardening is not just about sowing seeds and watching them grow, but the entire journey of gardening is much more. So let's talk about the lessons learned during gardening. So it's a way where kids understand the wonders of nature when they are potting the soil and planting the seed, but at the same time they learn a lot of values. Like they learn how to love and care for the plant. So you have to take care that it is not watered too much, it's planted properly, it gets the right sunlight. At the same time, it's a big responsibility. Kids learn how to be responsible because they need to water it, they need to check that there is no bugs or anything in the plant. At the same time, they learn how to work in integrity because every day, according to the environment, watering has to be done, plant needs to be taken care of. And the last lesson that they learn is how to be patient, because only after being patient and taking care of the seed will turn into a sapling and a plant, and eventually a flower may or may not bloom. So it also teaches them that you have to try your best, but in the end it